This is probably the coolest feature I have ever seen on a smartphone. It's known as peak proof, and your Technophone has it, as well as the Infinix Hot 30 smartphone or other Infinix phones with Android 13. I'll show you where to go to enable it. Let's get started. There is two ways you can access this. One, you can check your quick panel access for the toggle. If it's not there, you can go into these three dots right here and use the edit shortcut switch. And then you'll look for the peak proof option, this right here, okay? So when you tap on that, that's now going to add it into your quick panel access, okay? So you can also hold it down and place it someplace closer if you want to, all right? So once you're done now, and every time you pull down your quick panel access, you're gonna see it, okay? It's the one with the eye in that shield icon thing there, okay? The other way, if you don't see it from there, you can use the settings, and in the search settings itself, use that to type in the words peak proof. Okay, you're going to type that in right there, peak proof. And when you do that, you'll see the suggestion. Tap on it and it'll take you exactly to where you need to go. All right, so basically what this does, when you have it enabled, you'll have this dual shade here that you can drag. That's going to kind of give it a little dark gray shade. And if anyone's on the side view of where you are, they're not going to be able to see what's there, okay? That's kind of cool if you ask me. And instead of having those dark, thick screen protectors on your phone, okay? Now, one thing to note is that you have the option to show it at the top and right or show it at the left and top side, okay? So basically that will allow you to hide that there. These right here will allow you to slide the darkness of it. And once you're ready to exit it out, you will use the exit icon right here to come out of it, okay? And you're pretty much good to go. And again, you can use a quick toggle to enable that there. You'll see it turns on like that there. And when you're ready, you can just exit it out whenever, okay? So like and sub, let me know what you think about this feature. I think it's pretty cool, and thanks for watching.